This instruction video demonstrates the application of a versatile and multi-purpose cement plaster using a spray plaster machine. To ensure best results, please follow the steps and methods outlined in this video. Background preparation. The fair-faced concrete background and concrete blocks should be thoroughly cleaned to remove any dust particles, wooden pieces, mold oil or any other substances. Fix Ortex fiberglass mesh or expanded metal lath across all junctions of differing backgrounds as shown. To fix plaster points and corner beads, fitting plaster mixed with potable water is used. Small amounts should be mixed in an uncontaminated, non-corrosive vessel, ideally using an electric mixer. Plaster points are made as a guide to control plaster thickness and to ensure the plumb line. Apply a small amount of plaster where point has to be positioned. The adjacent points have to be placed by using twine and spirit level board to achieve right-angled vertical surface. Apply the plaster evenly onto the wall, covering both sides of the corner from top to bottom. Once that is done, press the corner beads into position and check if they are aligned vertically straight using spirit level. Fixing corner beads will help in preventing mechanical damages to wall corners. Bonding rush coat is applied on smooth concrete wall areas to provide a mechanical key for subsequent layers of cement plaster. The suction in the background is neutralized by using potable water. Mix bonding rush coat with potable water in a clean plastic bucket using an electric agitator. Spray the mixed material onto the prepared fair-faced concrete background. Wait for the applied first coat to stiffen before reapplying to achieve the proper texture. The applied material has to be water cured for a period of 2 days, 3-4 times daily. Setting up of the spray plaster machine. Attach the pressure flange to the mixer pump and connect the water pipe to the chamber. Connect the power cables to the respective ports on the power supply unit. Plug machine to the electric supply. Run water through the machine to test if it is flowing freely. This also removes any air that may have been entrapped in the system. Next, connect the plaster pipe and the air pipe to the flange. Fill the hopper with cement plaster. Switch on the power and then open the chamber gate. The machine will mix the plaster with water homogeneously in the mixing chamber. To get the right consistency of material, adjust the water level using control valve in the flow meter. Clean the hose coupling before attaching the spray gun. Fix the spray gun and the air pipe. Prior to spraying plaster, neutralize the suction on both the fair-faced concrete as well as the block work. Plaster application and finishing. Spray the plaster in overlapping layers, completing one panel at a time till the whole wall is plastered. Immediate leveling has to be done using an H-type leveling board. Fill any hollows that may appear and rule again. Once the plaster has reached semi-dry condition, use the T-type leveling board to remove excess material from the surface. Level surface has to be floated with a plastic float. Using a small amount of clean water, continue floating until you get a uniform surface. The uniform surface has to be finished with a steel trowel to final smooth finish. Cleaning and maintenance of spray plaster machine. Remember to clean the machine after every spraying operation session. Pump out any surplus plaster from the hopper before turning the machine off at the end of the day. Take out the machine's mixing shaft and clean both the mixing shaft and the chamber with water. Running the machine for a few seconds will flush away any residues. To clean up the insides of the hose, put sponge ball in the hose and run water through it. It is also important to keep the pressure reducer filters clean. The upper and bottom filters in the pressure reducer need regular cleaning to avoid blocking that may stop the machine or damage it. The solenoid filter also needs to be cleaned thoroughly to ensure smooth operation. Yet another critical part that needs thorough cleaning at the end of every day is the air pipe of the spray gun. Neglecting to do this can result in blockages which will not allow the machine to work at desired pressures.